Babe, are you really that mad about me taking the microwave? Seriously? Don't be messing with the breakers.
Huh?
Seriously.
He's already confused. He's like, huh?
Yeah, turn the light off. PJ's off.
PJ isn't off. Well, the toy room isn't.
Will you go turn that light off? Fucking with breakers. That was the kitchen.
That was the kitchen again.
Maybe you're gonna save on electricity. Maybe first we start by turning off all the lights.
This light's still on.
Uh-huh. Turn the fridge off.
Next step. Go get me that stool.
Figure it out. That's, yeah, it's on. It's good.
Really? All because I took the microwave.
That's stupid.
You need the microwave.
It's
Put the
stupid.
microwave and let's start heating stuff up on the stove where it takes longer. There, then you're wasting the propane tank.
Hello, Michael? Michael?
But a propane is something you buy straight up. You
You're gonna have $700 to buy.
the culprit.
Hey, turn off that light.
You turned off my fish tank. I think you're acting really ridiculous about this. Big things start with little changes.
This was one big thing.
And the iPad.
No.
Yeah, how long has Leanna been on there? She gave Taylor.
They've been switching.